I wouldn't dunk it in a tub of water. But we got a couple comments on our last video saying the Autel Max 4T cannot fly in the rain. We're here today to show you that is not true. We have some pretty wet conditions, as you can see. We got a lot of puddles. I mean, it's not raining too hard, but still, nonetheless, we're getting wet. We'll take this up into flight. I don't know about you guys, but it looks pretty wet and rainy to me. It's flying without a hitch too, so. Now the Autel Max 4T is IP rated at 43, so that does mean that you can fly in some weather conditions. Obviously, I wouldn't fly it for a very prolonged amount, but in something like this, light rain, you're gonna have no problem flying in these conditions. Like I said, I wouldn't dunk it in a tub of water, but it can for sure fly in the rain. Looks like it flew to me. So we're back inside now. Obviously, we're still a little wet. We're cleaning off the drone here. You can fly in some weather conditions. It is IP rated, like I said, IP43. It also has a defog feature, so you'll get a better contrast in your visuals if you're flying in rainy conditions. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. We'll prove you guys wrong.